Audi A4 wasn't conditioned in the air. So now we're going back together. One thing about AC systems is anytime you have high humidity and the system's been open for a day or so, you want to put it under a vacuum. It's been pretty much since this morning, so the moisture evaporates at a lower temperature. Moisture inside the AC is what ultimately kills it. There is a desiccant packet that absorbs moisture, but that can only hold so much after X amount of time. Anyone services AC system, they should put it under a vacuum to remove any moisture that's accumulated. So, and also I've been leak testing it throughout the day, making sure the needle stays where it was. This is the AC evaporator because it works under pressure because it can get up to like 70 psi. If you put dye in it, you'll see that on this. I also replaced the heater core while we were in here. So you have your heater hoses coming in and out, and then you have your AC lines right next to it. So the heater core has to come out in order to remove the evaporator. It was kind of a no-brainer. The customer just had to pay for the part because there was obviously overlapping labor. Another thing I like to do too is before reassembling everything 100%, I like to pull a vacuum on the system to see if the system holds vacuum. If it can hold vacuum, it can hold pressure in theory. So that's the last thing we're going to do is put everything back together